What's going on, everybody? Mike here from RoughCut Tutorials, and welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to show you how to use the audio clip mixer in Premiere Pro. If you're serious about improving your editing skills, why not hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to know when new tutorials are uploaded to my channel. Okay, so I have imported a few audio clips already, as well as created a sequence and have my audio clip mixer visible over here, which you can find right next to effect controls. If you don't see it on your side, you can actually go to Window and then click on Audio Clip Mixer and it will appear. What I'm going to do first is go to my project and then click and drag an audio clip to my timeline and drop it in Audio Layer 1. So there we go. So if I hit play, notice what you see in the audio clip mixer. You can see that your audio decibel indicator is jumping up and down in Audio 1, but there is no other information in the other layers as there is no audio in my timeline yet. So each one of these mixers represents an audio layer in your timeline. So I have this main slider which allows me to increase or decrease the volume of each one of my audio layers. So starting at the top, we have a left and a right channel volume dial, which you can click and drag to the left or to the right, and it will actually play your audio more loudly on the left or on the right, respectively. What I'm going to do now is add two more audio tracks into my timeline. This one I'll place into Audio Layer 2, and then this one I'll place into Audio Layer 3. So if I play my sequence now, all three tracks will be playing at the same time, as well as at the same volume. And notice how each audio clip mixer has information in it now. Next we have these three icons over here. The icon with the letter M is to mute the track. So if I hit play, it will mute any track that has this button selected. And notice that we have the same button down here in the timeline, which works exactly the same way. We also have this button over here with the letter S, and this is to solo a track. And what that means is that when I hit on solo, the audio clip mixer will mute any other track except for the one that is being soloed. So let me go ahead and push play and then solo this track. And again, like the mute button, you'll also find your solo track buttons down here in the timeline, which work exactly the same way. So lastly, we also have the option of writing keyframes. So that will essentially record what you are doing to your channel volume level, as well as your panner as you are playing it. So if you wish to do so, you can hit the right keyframes button, then push play, then I'm going to reduce and then increase my volume. So once you are done, you can just hit pause and then go and turn off the right keyframes button. And then you can push play. And notice how it has actually written keyframes for my volume level. And if I head over to my effect controls panel, we can now see the actual keyframes that were just recorded. You can also view your keyframes down in the timeline by expanding your layer like this. And then all these keyframes are also fully customizable. Furthermore, if you add more audio layers to your timeline, you'll automatically get more audio clip mixers. So if I go down to my timeline and right click here and say add track, now I have a fourth audio layer, and notice now in my audio clip mixer, I have a fourth mixer as well. And there you have it. Thank you very much for watching, and tune in next time for another exciting tutorial. If you have any suggestions or what you would like me to cover in a future episode, be sure to drop it in the comments below. Please show your support for this channel by subscribing and smashing that like button.